Hello friends! You are about to gain interesting knowledge about a range of temples with a rich cultural history. So, welcome to Thungdosa, which means salvation of the world through mastery of truth. Such a deep meaning, isn't it? As soon as we stepped into the temple, the serene beauty blew us away. We sat down here to feel the peaceful atmosphere. You can also take a moment and listen to the silence of the temple. It's not only the temple's stunning beauty, it's also the kind-hearted Korean priests and the friendly people we met who left us the message of why Thungdosa is so special. So let's learn the facts about why Thungdosa is so special. Number 1. It's not a one temple, but a wide range of temples located in the mountains near Yangsan. Number 2. Thungdosa is one of the 3 jewels temples. Thungdosa represents Gautama Buddha. Hainsa represents Buddha teaching. Songwansa represents Buddhist community as Buddha Dhamma Sangha. Number 3. It also has the well-famous only building that survived the Japanese invasion of Korea. Number 4. Thungdosa is reputed to have a few relics of Gautama Buddha himself. A robe, a begging bowl, and a bone from the skull. Number 5. There is also a legend about 9 dragons and the founder of Thungdosa, the monk Jajangilsa. As we explore the temple range, these giant pine trees guide us to the next closest temple. Unexpectedly, we found ourselves about a 1-hour mountain climb to the temple. And yes, it's the temple's dog. This fella climbed the mountain like nothing. Later we found him lounging around at the top. So here's another tranquil temple. From this point we could see the road that we came here. And the view from the top made every step worth it. And here's where the real adventure begins. Have you ever had a chance to have a long slide through a forest? I still can't put a name to this slow coaster-like thing we rode, but it took us on an unforgettable journey through the trails. This is again a picture-perfect memory for the rest of my life. This is my first ever open ride through a misty forest, sliding on a trail to the bottom of a mountain. Anyway, I have to give a big shout out to our friend Tusita. Thanks to him and his wife, we had a wonderful day that we'll cherish forever. These unexpected moments of happiness are what make life truly special. My husband and I chose not to own a vehicle yet, but we've traveled more than we ever imagined. All thanks to the amazing bunch of friends we've met in Korea. Here's the takeaway. You don't need everything to be perfect to embrace life's adventures. Just take the moment and make it perfect. See you soon next week while expressing our heartfelt gratitude to our friend Thusita and his wife. Learning the path to perfection is paved with imperfectly wonderful moments that last a lifetime.